Imagine sinking your teeth into tender, succulent strips of beef marinated in a savory blend of soy sauce, garlic, and sweet honey. Each bite, a symphony of flavor, is complemented by the earthy undertones of sautéed mushrooms, all wrapped in a thick, glossy, garlic-infused sauce. This, dear listeners, is the delight of Chinese garlic beef with mushroom sauce, a dish that marries simplicity and sophistication in every bite. Start by selecting half a kilogram of lean beef. Slice it into thin strips, ensuring each piece is uniform in size. This ensures even cooking and, by extension, the perfect texture. Marinate the beef in a mixture of 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, a tablespoon of honey, and 3 minced garlic cloves. Allow the flavors to seep into the beef for at least 20 minutes. While the beef marinates, turn your attention to the mushrooms. Clean and slice about 200 grams of your favorite variety. Shiitake mushrooms work exceptionally well in this recipe, but feel free to use whichever kind you prefer. Now, heat 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the marinated beef and cook until it turns a rich caramel brown. Remove the beef from the pan, and in the same pan, add another tablespoon of oil and sauté the sliced mushrooms until they are golden and aromatic. The time has come to bring it all together. Return the cooked beef to the pan with the mushrooms. Stir in 1 cup of beef broth, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and a tablespoon of cornstarch mixed with a little water. This concoction will create the thick, glossy sauce that ties the dish together. Let it simmer for a few minutes until the sauce thickens to your liking. Sprinkle with freshly chopped spring onions and a dash of sesame oil for a final flourish. And there you have it, Chinese garlic beef with mushroom sauce, a dish that promises a burst of flavor in every bite. To recap, the stars of this dish are lean beef, mushrooms, soy sauce, honey, garlic, beef broth, oyster sauce, and cornstarch. It starts with marinating the beef in soy sauce, honey, and garlic. While it marinates, prepare the mushrooms. Cook the beef until brown, then sauté the mushrooms in the same pan. Combine everything in the pan, add the broth, oyster sauce, and cornstarch mixture, and let it simmer until the sauce thickens. Finish with a sprinkle of spring onions and a dash of sesame oil. With this recipe, you're not just preparing a meal, you're creating an experience. It's the perfect balance of sweet and savory, a tantalizing treat that's quick and easy to prepare. So the next time you crave something deliciously satisfying, remember the Chinese garlic beef with mushroom sauce. It's more than just a dish, it's a culinary adventure. Thanks so much for watching our video and joining us on this culinary adventure. We hope you've been inspired to try out this delicious Chinese garlic beef with mushroom sauce. If you've enjoyed this journey and can't wait for more, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel. Your subscription helps us keep bringing you more of these mouth-watering recipes. And we'd also love to hear your thoughts. Did you try the recipe? Did you add your own personal touch to it? Your feedback is invaluable to us. It helps us create content that you love and enjoy. So don't forget to leave a comment below and share your culinary experiences with us. Your support means the world to us. So before you go, hit that subscribe button and leave a comment. We appreciate your support and can't wait to embark on more delicious journeys with you. Until our next video, keep cooking and keep sharing your stories. Happy cooking, food adventurers!